Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients for Nigerian vegetable soup. 1. 5 kg mixed greens such as ugu and waterleaf, 1 cup ground crayfish, and 2 cups palm oil. Rinse 2 cups dried stockfish and 200 g smoked fish, then soak in warm water for 20 minutes to soften and remove grit. Chop 1 medium onion and blend 3 Scotch bonnet peppers with 2 tablespoons ground ajiri or bouillon for seasoning. Measure salt to taste and have 2 cups cooked beef or assorted meats ready to add later during cooking. Heat 2 cups palm oil in a large pot and fry one chopped onion until translucent, then add the blended pepper mix and cook for about 5 minutes to reduce rawness. Stir in 2 cups cooked beef or assorted meats, 1 cup ground crayfish, and 200 g drained smoked fish or stockfish pieces. Season with salt and 2 tablespoons bouillon, then add 1 cup water and simmer the meat and spices for 10 minutes to build a rich, concentrated base before introducing the vegetables. Add the 1.5 kg mixed greens in manageable batches, wilting each batch for 3 to 5 minutes so the soup stays vibrant and not waterlogged. Stir gently to integrate the vegetables with the meat and spice base, then taste and adjust seasoning with salt and a squeeze of 1 lime if desired. Reduce heat to low and simmer for an additional 2 minutes so flavors marry and the soup thickens slightly. Serve hot with 2 cups fufu, rice, or your preferred swallow, ensuring the texture is rich and hearty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.